Welcome to chartforecaster.com. I'm Kyle, and in today's video, we're going to be discussing GameStop, where I think the price is going, and we'll deploy chartforecaster.com on GME to do some surgery on the charts, and we'll figure out some important dates and times to be really watching going forward with GameStop. Now, why is GameStop trending? Well, guys, GameStop disclosed the new CEO compensation package for Ryan Cohen. And what's interesting about this is it's guaranteeing him no guaranteed pay, no salary, no cash bonuses, no time vesting stock. And it's instead this entirely performance based option or contract with massive targets. And people love this. People are just debating whether or not this is a genius move or just some sort of unrealistic expectation. So people are really kind of watching for the shareholders to approve this and whether there'll be any changes beyond what has been announced. So it's going to be interesting for GameStop here kind of going forward. But what I'm seeing here is there are some harmonic patterns. Number one, I do think that this could be some sort of bearish shark pattern that we are seeing. We are also seeing this falling wedge, which is a very, very bullish pattern to be seen. So with that said, we do have a golden cross that recently happened on the RSI as well. And last time this happened, we saw the price really increase dramatically, which was good to see. And we've got earnings coming up in April. Now, if we're trading this on the short term, I'm expecting GME to maybe come up and test this $23-ish level. Let's see what Chart Forecaster has to say. And I know I repeat myself in every video, but this thing basically decodes the markets, like an Enigma machine during World War II, where they use this machine to decode cryptic languages and things like that. It does the same thing, but for the markets. And the way this works is we'll pick a nice swing high or swing low, and the software just hones in on that date and time, and it just does this crazy number crunching. So we're looking at about November 21st, which I've got already in here. We'll calculate the events for GameStop. Now, it gives us this big, beautiful list of dates and times, what's to look out for at these dates and times. And you can see right out of the gates, November 26th, it said bullish or bearish momentum will start. And the next day, it was predicting that there would be volatility spikes. So this was great to see. It did predict a momentum peak area, which, this thing isn't 100% bulletproof all the time, but just keep that in mind, right? Here it was predicting that there'd be a market lower high or reversal, and it does look like it was about 1 hour off here, which is still pretty darn impressive. So there was a reversal that did happen here within 2 hours, and then it was predicting a bullish or bearish momentum would start, and that's exactly what happens. There's some money to be made here. It was predicting volatility spikes on December 12th, and you can see what an incredible prediction. Here it was saying that this was going to be a common reversal point and a market high or low. So we had this crazy scam candle. The market makers were definitely trying to shake people out there, but price went way up, reversed, and boom, it was off to the races. And here it was saying that bullish or bearish momentum would start, and you can see that it did in fact start. Now, in many cases, we don't know how much the stock or crypto will move, but we know that we have key dates and times to figure out when they could move. And so these are very important to pay attention to. We got a double prediction of volatility spikes and breakouts here. And this was interesting because down to the hour, it predicted that volatility spikes and breakdown. Here it did predict the momentum peak area. So on December 31st, if you were looking at this on a daily chart, this would be the peak area. So within a few hours, it predicted this quite nicely, within an hour or two. Price then shot up, and we got a nice reversal as the price retraced. It said, hey, this is going to be the market low or high, and it's a reversal point. So that's exactly what happened. And then we saw a bullish or bearish momentum indicator telling us that bullish or bearish momentum would start. And look at these candles. Now we've got a flash on January 10th at about 1545 hours. We'll see more volatility spikes, breakouts, or pauses. And then on January 14th, about 1900 hours UTC time. Very important that this is all UTC time. This chart is UTC time. This is UTC time. This is all UTC time. I got to fix this bug up here. But it is what it is. So go ahead, check out chartforecaster.com, create an account, and at the end of the month, if you're subscribed to YouTube, I will be giving somebody a 30-day membership for free to chartforecaster.com. They just need to be signed up with chartforecaster.com during the time I make that selection. So I will reach out to those people when that time comes. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. We'll be checking back up on GameStop here shortly. So thanks for watching, everyone.